6 types of control for a typical smart home. Number 1. Switch from the market. Use special adapter for the smart home to control any function in your house. Number 2. Smart switch. Smart switch with thermostats and different kinds of sensors inside have more functions, and you will be able to connect them in a different way than conventional switch. Number 3. Touch screens. Install touch screens in your wall instead of a normal switch and use it to control all the house. Number 4. Smart sensors. If you want your smart home to work without touching anything, use motion sensors, light level sensors, humidity, temperature, CO2 and many other types of sensors, and use automations to connect it to particular functions of your smart home. Number 5. Gadgets. Your smart home surely supports applications. Install applications on your smartphone or your tablets and control all of the smart house from any place in the world. Number 6. Voice control. Use Apple, Google or Amazon voice assistants or smart speakers if your smart home supports it. Use all of these 6 voice control gadgets, smart sensors, touch screens, smart switch. But do not forget that clients usually like to keep it very simple most of the time in the smart home.